Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Dr. Ahifa Yunus. Jannah Institute is extremely happy and excited for our upcoming seminar. It's going to be Sunday, July the 22nd, and the title will be, are you going to Hajj or you're not going to Hajj this year? Alhamdulillah, in less than a month, the journey of life is going to start. If you're going to Hajj, please join us. And if you're not going to Hajj, please join us. The reason I'm saying this is because Hajj is a spiritual journey before it's a physical journey. So physical journey, we all know about that. We're going to cover why you're going, what you need to do, and what should you feel. And when you come back, inshallah, by His grace, you will be a different person. But what about if, for whatever the reason, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not allow you or me to go to Hajj this year? So I cannot do anything about it. So this beautiful sacred month next month, I don't have to do anything. The answer is absolutely no. Come and join us and learn how I can make the journey of Hajj with my heart spiritually. Although my body, physically, I'm still in my home or at work and I'm doing the same thing, but my spirit, my heart is actually with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, as if I am with the millions who will be in Mecca. Come and join us. It's a free program. This coming Sunday, the 22nd of July, you can join us on site if you live in St. Louis or close by, and online is also available. Please register. Love to see you.
وَإِذْ جَعَلْنَا الْبَيْتَ مَثَابَةً لِلنَّاسِ وَأَمْنًا وَاتَّخِذُوا مِن مَّقَامِ إِبْرَاهِيمَ مُصَلًّى وَعَهِدْنَا إِلَىٰ إِبْرَاهِيمَ وَإِسْمَاعِيلَ أَن طَهِّرَا بَيْتِيَ لِلطَّائِفِينَ وَالْعَاكِفِينَ وَالرُّكَّعِ السُّجُودِ